There we go. I got brushless on this side. Red one's brushless, the other one is brushed. TT-01 is the white one. TT-02 is the red one. 7.5 turn, running on 6S. The other one's an iCAD 7-pack. So let's give this a test to see how it runs. Basically, the NIM pack, I have not run this NIM pack in about 5 years, 6 years, so I have no idea if it's going to be good. So I don't know if it's any good, but it doesn't look like it's got a lot of speed. So I'm going to have to look into maybe getting a better pack. I did charge it all the way, but I did not test to see how fast it was. So definitely it's dying on me. Oh yes, there we go, it just died. So this NIM pack is pretty much dead. That's it for that run. So I gotta look for a good NIM pack. I think I do have one. I got 12, where is that? 12 miles an hour. But that NIM pack is almost dead. Okay, here we go. 3S, 7.5. Let's warm up the tires a bit. Would be better if I put the GPS on it. Okay, zeroed out. If you can see that, yeah, zeroed out. Stick that onto there. Hopefully it stays there. We'll try. Why? My God, this thing is crazy. Whoa, in the grass. Oh, I did recover. In the grass again. This time I won't recover. Let's go see what the GPS says. "41 miles an hour. There we go. 41 on the 7.5. "3S. Try to warm up the tires. Whoa. Nice and quiet on my street today, which is good. Okay, let's see if I can bring it home. Cars coming. Both ways, cars coming. See what we got. Oh, 41 is pretty much the top for this. Good run, 41. With this little guy. Cool stuff. And I'm casting a shadow.